Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows Server 2022. But the process is same on all Windows operating system. Okay, first open any browser, then go to netacad.com. See here, we are unable to find the Cisco Packet Tracer, but here we have the Packet Tracer, but it is not downloadable. See, but it is not the software, it is just course. Okay, even careers support more. See, we are unable to find, but once we log in, click on login. See, if you have account, you can give the username and password. Otherwise, click on sign up with your Gmail, then you can log in. Let me log in with my email. Then click on login, then provide the password of this user. Then click on login. Never save. See, now we are able to see resources section. Then click on download Packet Tracer. If you don't log in, then you will be not able to see this resource section. Okay, click on download Packet Tracer. Scroll down. See here, we have the download for Mac OS, Ubuntu and Windows. Okay, also see here the requirements. So see here the prerequisites: Windows 10, 11 or server 19 or 22. Okay, Ubuntu 22, 24, Mac later versions of 10.4, 10 and 4 GB RAM, disk space 1.4 gigabytes. Okay, this is for 32-bit. Now click on 64-bit download to download the Cisco Packet Tracer for Windows. Click on it. See, download has been started. Go to download. See, the size is 222 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. Just click on it to install the Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on it. Select the checkbox that I accept the agreement. Then click on next. See, this will be the path for the Cisco Packet Tracer installation. So if you want to change, you have to click on browse. Otherwise, click on next. And this will be the name in the start menu folder. Okay. Then click on next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you have to keep the checkbox as it is. And if you want to create a launch shortcut, you have to select this one. I'm going with the defaults, then click on next. See, ready to install. See, this is the summary like destination, location, menu folder name and additional tasks. Okay, click on install. If you want to modify, you have to go to back. Now click on install to start the installation of Cisco Packet Tracer. See, installation has been completed. If you want to launch Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to keep the checkbox as it is. Otherwise, uncheck it and click on finish. Now open Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on start menu. See here we have the Cisco Packet Tracer folder and click on drop down. Then see here we have the Cisco Packet Tracer application, help, Qt. Click on Cisco Packet Tracer. Would you like to run multi-user when application starts? It is up to you. Click on yes. Now we have to log in. So for that, click on this skill for all. Now provide the same username and password. Hit enter. Then click on login. Got it. You have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. Now if you go to there, see that pop-up has been gone. See here we have the two types of modes, one real time and simulation. Okay, Also see here we have the logical and physical. See physical, logical. Also see here, network devices, then end devices, components, connections, and miscellaneous. In end devices we have the routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, and more. Okay. In end devices we have these options. Suppose if you want to add this to this logical mode, just drag it, just click on it and drag it to this logical mode. Then click on wires or the connections, then select the cable type. See here we have the different cables. If you hover mouse on it, you will get the name of the cables. Copper, click on the devices, select the type, fast Ethernet, then select the end devices, select the same. If you click on any one of these devices, see here, just click on any of these devices, config, see here, if you want DHCP, provide DHCP, fast Ethernet, this is the MAC address of this one. If you want provide IP address, here we have to provide. If you select DHCP, it automatically provides. If you want static, you have to select here. Also desktop, open command prompt, see we can run the commands. If you want to see the IP of this one, IP config, see we haven't set the IP. If you set it, we will get the, if you go to config, we give the IP like if you select DHCP, it automatically creates. Now if you run the same IP config, see IP is assigned. Now close this one, you click on this one, config. Now go to terminal, open command prompt, IP config. See it has assigned this IP. Let me copy this. See this is the IP for this machine, but for this one this is the IP. We can ping it, copy this one. Now go to this PC, ping, right click, paste it, hit enter. See we are able to ping from this PC to this laptop. Okay, even if you go to, let me copy this IP, this is for this PC 0 and this is laptop 0. Okay. So copy this IP, copy it, click on it, ping, paste it, hit enter. See we are able to ping both the devices. Like this we can practice networking concepts. For more Cisco Packet Tracer or networking videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.